In this video, I'm taking the seats out of a 97 Camry. This bottom one is the easiest one. It's just a clip here and there. You grasp it there and just yank up. For the front seats, I have a container to put the bolts in. I have a shop cat to not help. You're being lazy. You need to get up and get to work. He's just mad because he had a big fat chipmunk in his mouth and he set it down and it ran off. I push the seat forward first and take the rear bolts out because it's easier later. I can't see that one from where I'm at. I have to feel for it. I think I put that, yeah, I had it on forward for a second. So, the next one's right here. These had little plastic things that clip right there. And you can see where the clips go in to these holes right here. So you get behind the plastic and pull away from that and then up and they just pop right off. Okay, then I slide this all the way back. And this car's nasty. Get that. And then I can flip the seat back and get to the wire connectors. Got to pinch it in just the right spot. And out it comes. It's the right spot, it's right there. So I got the pliers on there, right in that spot where it pinches that tab. So next is the trick to turning the seat just right so you can get it out of the car without messing anything up. Steering wheel's in the way. You see what the situation is now with the bottom sticking up like this and the back over there? Then I'm going to come over and out. Just like so. This door still touched the headrest and put a nasty spot on it. Looks like somebody's already pulled these plugs. I'll be pulling those plugs and scrubbing out in here. And I want to run this after I clean the carpet. Rinse and rinse and rinse until it comes out clear. I'm not telling you to do it that way. I'm just telling you that's how I do it. And to prevent this from happening again, I will block the door open with something so that it doesn't try to close on me and hit the headrest and nasty up the headrest. Or I'll clean the door jambs first, or both. I can clean the door jambs first and block the door open. Any suggestions you have that might help somebody else that's trying to do this, please put them in the comments below, because that's the whole purpose of these videos, is to help people that are watching them. And this plug was right about there, and I was able to access it from the bottom, so it wasn't really necessary to pull this up. The other one was right there where I put that penny. And here's the after. Meanwhile, Shop Cat is hard at work.